Let's talk about ways to detox your body. This is Robin-Nutritionist, and I help women over 40 thrive in our bodies using food and nutrition. And I also help you mitigate symptoms and concerns related to the pause. If you are wondering how to detox your body, this video is for you. First of all, let me be clear. Our body is designed to naturally detox through our skin, through our liver, through our lymphatic system, through our kidneys, intestines, your lungs. It is designed to do that automatically. Your bowels to get things out if you're sweating or if you're in a sauna through your skin. So without doing anything, that is what your body is designed to do. But for the fact that in this life, we are bombarding our body and cells with toxins. For some, so much that it's so much coming in that our body is not able to successfully do what it needs to do because it's inundated with toxins. So in order to help your body along, I'm going to share with you some strategies to do that. Vitamin C. So I'm always on the food trip. Like I am a nutritionist and there's so much power in healing in food and nutrition. So I'm going to talk to you about that first. So vitamin C, which is found in fruits and vegetables from the earth, tried and true, helps. And vitamin C helps to turn those toxins and heavy metals into water-soluble agents so it can flush out easily through your body. Vitamin C. There are herbs that help the body. And some of these herbs you can put right on your food to help support your liver and other systems. So in no particular order, you can use cilantro. Some people take cilantro and it tastes like soap. I think it's like a thing in our mouths. Or it's a different taste bud for different people with cilantro. But nonetheless, you can put that in smoothies, put that in your food. So cilantro is one herb. I'm going to tell you about 5 of them. You can use dandelion, like drink dandelion tea. Another one is milk thistle. Milk thistle you can use as an extract. And there's some capsules. But this is the deal. Before you just go out and taking herbs that are not like cilantro you can put in your food, you want to discuss it with your medical provider or your nutritionist. Number 4 is red clover. I drink red clover in a tea form and it helps with my hormone levels. And then the last herb is turmeric. So you can put that on your food as well. And there's different ways to consume that. Those are herbs that will already support you, right? If you have to go a little bit deeper, meaning that your blood is at a toxic level so there's the thing, the toxicity can show up in so many different ways in the body. And if you're really, really having a tough time, you can go to, usually this is a naturopathic doctor or a functional medicine doctor, and get your blood tests for heavy metals. And they can see if you're inundated with arsenic and mercury and what's some of the other. And for that might require what's called chelation therapy, which is where a doctor puts an IV to help flush those toxins out of your system. But that again, is under doctor's care and that you can be tested for. But I would try the non-invasive ways through food and nutrition first. So up-leveling the herbs that I mentioned. And also with my community, we do 2 things. One thing for sure, we have a monthly reset where every day, 10 days out of the month, we remove the food that do not serve us and flood our bodies with what does. That could be the herb, that could be water, just giving our body a break. It's a reset. And it works really well to just keep our bodies in balance. The second thing, and I'm going to do more educating on this, is fasting. Fasting sounds scary because when someone introduced fasting to me and the thought of not eating for any amount of time was beyond my comfort zone. There is a process called autophagy. Autophagy is where your body is in this state where it's helping to clear out toxins from your cells. And that can be activated through fasting. If you're fasting 24 to 48 hours, that's the point in which autophagy is activated. So in order to get into that, get into autophagy with fasting, you have to fast. In order to get the benefit of clearing out your cells, that means for a minimum of 24 hours, or to between 24 and 48 hours, you are not eating, but you're drinking water. I'm going to let that sit in with you just for a little bit. Ask me questions, and I definitely will respond. And always, if you like, subscribe, share, all of that helps this channel or this information reach more people. Because there's some good information here, y'all know it, but the algorithm doesn't always push it out. And your liking, subscribing, and all that helps to get it out into the world. If you really want to go at a deeper level, or you want to work with me and be a part of the community and allow me to be your nutrition support, I do that. I have a whole community for it. And the first thing that happens when you join is we schedule you for your personalized nutrition and meal planning workshop so we can get your roadmap together for you and just look at what you're doing and your goals and create a plan. So I'm going to put that information in here so that you can further connect if you like to. Otherwise, stay connected this way, and I'll continue to share information that is valuable for us, the women in midlife over 40. All right. Peace and blessings. Eat well, think well, and be well. This is Robin, nutritionist from Necessary Nutrition. Take care. Bye.